Hello students, so today I will show you how to insert table in PowerPoint and how can we add table using table grid. So first of all, we have to click on insert tab, and then in the table options there are number of grid like rows and columns given below. So whenever we click on table option, so there are number of rows and columns are here. So when you scroll your mouse, you can see it automatically add on to your slide. When you click on the table, the mouse cursor changes to a plus sign, so you can resize your table. So now again from insert tab, in the table option we choose insert table. So this is the insert table. Whenever you click on insert table, a dialog box will appear. It will show you number of rows and number of columns. So according to your choice, you can select and you can type number of rows and number of columns. So we have selected 5 columns and 8 rows. I am resizing it because I want to see my font, I want to see my information more visible. And now I have clicked draw table option. Again from the insert tab, from the table option, I have clicked draw table option. You can see my mouse pointer changes to a pen sign. So it is whenever you draw a table, design tab automatically appears. On that, from draw table option, you can draw your table according to your choice and how many rows and number of how many columns you can add. Here one more option, that inside the slide you can see here there is an option insert table option. So from that also you can add rows and number of rows and number of columns according to your choice. Acha students, I have already drawn my table on my Excel sheet, so I can copy my table from the Excel sheet and paste it in my PowerPoint slide. So you can also use this method, that you can make a table in your Excel spreadsheet and copy that table and paste it in your slides. But do remember, you have to count number of rows and number of columns the table you are inserting. Like I have made this, I have taken insert table option, and from that I have selected number of rows and columns which I have made in Excel sheet. So now whenever you click on the table, design and layout tab already automatically open. So now click on home tab, and from home tab you can change your font size, because I have changed my font size because I want to make it look more visible. So I have make these fonts look bigger. Now I want to make my table more attractive. I want to change my colors. So whenever you click on the table design tab, in design tab you can see number of color tables available here. And one more options are there. If you want to show your rows, columns, first row, last row, first column, last column more highlighted, so these are the options in your design tab. You can choose There's a checkbox is available here. If you want to click on that, like last column I have clicked, so last column or top row is been highlighted. So if it is your choice if you want to highlight your any column or any row. And in the shading option, as I have told you, you can also fill colors in your cells. And if you want to add image, so on that option you have the option like picture. You can also add on picture in any cell in the table. If you want to add gradients, you can add gradients also. So these are the different options if you want to make it more attractive. So students, do practice this, how to insert table, using grid option, how to make your font big, small, and all the settings of design and layout tabs options.